The steel industry is a massive and fascinating sector that plays a crucial role in the global economy. Steel is an alloy made primarily of iron and carbon, with the addition of other elements like manganese, chromium, and nickel. The steel industry encompasses everything from the production of raw materials like iron ore and coal, to the manufacturing of finished steel products like cars, appliances, and infrastructure. The production of steel involves a complex process that starts with the extraction of iron ore and coal. These raw materials are then processed in blast furnaces, where they are melted down to create pig iron. Pig iron is then further refined in a basic oxygen furnace, where it is transformed into steel. This steel can then be cast into different shapes and sizes, depending on the intended use. Once the steel is produced, it can be used to create a vast array of products. Steel is an incredibly versatile material that can be molded into a wide range of shapes and sizes, making it ideal for use in many different industries. The steel industry has a significant impact on the global economy. It provides jobs to millions of people worldwide and contributes to economic growth and development. The industry also has a significant impact on the environment, with many steel producers implementing sustainable practices to reduce their carbon footprint. Overall, the steel industry is a fascinating and vital sector that plays a crucial role in shaping our modern world. From the production of raw materials to the manufacturing of finished products, the steel industry is a complex and intricate system that touches almost every aspect of our lives.